What's up, everybody? Paul Hickey here with your data-driven daily tip. Today I'm pumped to talk to you about Google AdSense. This is a little bit different now. Most of my data-driven daily tips are around how to do things on your website to promote your website. This tip is now going to be to help monetize your website. So if you've been blogging every day, or if you already are a content publisher, you're going to start to build up a lot of traffic and then have potential ways to monetize that traffic just through ad impressions. And a great tool that's been around forever, that's still around, helping publishers monetize their content is Google AdSense. It's the sister product to Google AdWords. It's like basically like the sister that lives on the other side of the world that is like the exact opposite of Google AdWords in that it takes your basically like the people that are placing ads on Google AdWords are able to do so in the display network because of the publishers who have the ads running on their site for Google AdSense. So if you want to become a publisher, go to google.com/AdSense, sign up, and this is AdSense, AdSense, sense. Go to google.com/AdSense and sign up. And then once you sign up, you're going to have a dashboard. It'll be with the same Google account that you use for analytics or AdWords or anything else, and or Gmail or whatever. And once you do that, you're going to basically click Add Your Site. So you can see right here on my screen, you're going to jump right into my screen. And for those of you listening on the podcast, I'm just going to articulate this. Click Add Site, type in your URL, connect your site. It's going to give you a code snippet. Very familiar to other data-driven daily tips, a lot of code snippets flying around. You're going to put that code snippet into your website in the header, in between the header and the end header tag on every page. And if you're in a WordPress site, like most of ours are, we use the head and footer scripts inserter on most of our sites. So I'm showing you how to do that now on my screen by SpaceX Chimp. Go in and just paste it right inside of the header snips HTML code for the header, and then save your changes. You can see I'm doing it right here above my tag manager script so that the AdSense script is picked up on by Google. Been blogging a lot, and I'm going to say why not? Why not try to insert some ads in the middle of my articles and see how that goes? I like to try things. I like to see what works and what doesn't based on the data, and then I like to advise clients and others to do what's working for me and what may work for their business. So that's what I'm doing here with Google AdSense. And if you're looking at my screen right now, I'm basically just showing that there are some guidelines. So what happens is once you submit the code snippet, once you put the code snippet in your website, then you submit that you've put the code snippet in your website through Google AdSense. It takes probably about 24 to 48 hours for Google to come crawl your site. It wants to look at your site, see that the code snippet's there, and see what kind of site you have, and then it's going to approve the ability for your site, for your ads to actually display on the site. And then when it does that, you're able to actually go back into AdSense, which will be a separate data-driven daily tip. I'll show you how to go back into AdSense and put the AdSense code snippet into your site so that your ads start displaying. Right now I'm showing basically just a few different types of ads that I will be able to have once my ads are approved. There's text and display, in-feed ads, in-article ads, matched content, overlay ads, which are anchor ads, and vignette ads. And there'll be another data-driven daily tip that goes through all of this, but today's data-driven daily tip is just getting the code snippet into your website, getting started with AdSense if you're a publisher or you want to monetize content on your site. Really, any site can do this, but if you're one that's blogging often, like daily or every other day, I would highly recommend that you try this and just see how it goes. This has been your data-driven daily tip. For more free digital marketing tips, go to dataoveropinions.com. Please listen on the podcast. Datadrivenpodcast.com is how you can download or subscribe to that podcast. YouTube.com/Paul Hickey is where all of these videos are held, the whole video library of data-driven daily tips. And if you want to do business with us, email me at paul@datadriven.design. Thanks and have a great day.